If you are encountering issues with Face ID not available or being unable to activate Face ID on your iPhone running iOS 16, then we are here with some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve this issue. So let's get started. The first one is obviously restarting your iPhone, because sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Then try turning off your iPhone, then turning back on. Now, after that, go to the Settings app in your mobile device. Then simply scroll down and look for the Face ID and passcode option available there. Once you find it, tap on it. Now inside Face ID and passcode, you will be prompted to enter your iPhone password. Do it. Now after that, you will get to see various options available there. In bottom, scroll down and you can see Reset Face ID in red highlights. You can also reset your Face ID. So if your Face ID is not working for unlocking your phone or other task, you can simply reset it. After that, make sure that your required Face ID toggle switch is turned on. If it is turned off, then make sure to turn it on. After that, go back to the Settings app again and tap on the General option available there. Then scroll down till you find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. After you tap on it, tap on the Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. So basically, guys, if none of these steps work, then you'll have to reset all settings, because resetting all settings on your iPhone can resolve more complex software issues without affecting your data. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.